right? Now earlier we discussed how to use present perfect tense, active voice and passive voice. Now let's come to past perfect tense, active voice, passive voice. So for those who have understood how to use present perfect tense, active voice, passive voice, understanding this lesson is going to be very easy. Understanding this lesson is going to be very easy. Present perfect tense එක ගන්න අයට මේක දැන් හරිම ලේසියෙන් කලින්ටත් වඩා ලේසියෙන් ටක් ගාලා අල්ල ගන්න පුළුවන්. helping verb එක විතරයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. Right? Now in present perfect tense we use has and have. Has and have plus past participle. Now in past perfect tense what happens is both has and have becomes had. have had has එකත් had වෙනවා. හරි? present perfect tense එක පාවිච්චි කරේ has have or has මේකෙදි have එකත් had වෙනවා. had have එකත් had වෙනවා. has එකත් had වෙනවා plus past participle of the verb එකේ past participle එකතු වෙනවා. I am talking the active voice plus active voice මුලින්ම කතා කරන්නේ. හරිද? අපි දැන් මෙහෙම ගමුකෝ example එක. ඉස්සෙල්ලා කිව්ව කොහොමද? සරසනවාට කිව්වේ decorate නේ. decorate past participle is decorated. එයාලා price giving එකට main hall එක සරසලා තිබුණා කියලා දැන් කියන්නේ. කලින් කිව්වේ එයාලා සරසලා. දැන් කියනෝනේ එයාලා price giving එකට main hall එක සරසලා decorate කරලා තිබුණා. සරසලා තිබුණා කියන්නේ කොහොමද?
They had decorated.
They had decorated
the main hall for the
the main
prize
hall
giving.
for the prize giving. කරලා තිබුණා had decorated. had. They had decorated the main hall for the prize giving. They had decorated the main hall for the prize giving. Okay මම දැන් කොහොමම අපි short dialogue එකක් හදමු question form එක. ඒතකොට they had එක had day වෙනවා හරි. had day වෙනවා question form එක they had එක had day වෙනවා. එයාලා main hall එක මේ prize giving එකට සාසලා තිබුණාද?
Had they decorated the main hall for the prize giving?
Had they decorated the main hall for the prize giving? Had they decorated the main hall for the prize giving? Oh, එයාලා main hall එක සරසලා තිබුණා.
Yes, they had decorated the main hall for the prize giving.
Yes, they had decorated the main hall. Yes, they had decorated the main hall. නෑ ඒගොල්ලෝ සරසලා තිබුණ නැහැ කියලා කිව්වොත් එහෙම.
No, they hadn't.
No, they hadn't decorated the main
Decorated.
hall. No, they hadn't decorated the main hall. ඒතර අර has එක hasn't උනා, have එක haven't උනා වගේ had එක hadn't උනා. කියන්නේ had not කියන්නේ HADN apostrophe T hadn't එන කරලා තිබුණ නැහැ කියලා කියද්දි they hadn't. No, they hadn't decorated the main hall. Right? No, they hadn't decorated the main hall. දැන් තව එකක් බලමු. අපි අහමු දැන් බයිනෝට කිව්වේ scold නේ. බයිනෝට කිව්වේ scold past participle is scolded. Scolded. දැන් අහනවා මේ කෙලිම ප්‍රශ්නේ අහමු. හරිද? ටීචර් ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණාද? ටීචර් ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණාද?
Had teachers scolded to the children?
වෙන්නේ had the teacher scolded the children. To the children කියන්නේ නැහැ. had the teacher scolded the children. ටීචර් ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණාද? හරිද? had the teacher scolded the children. ඔව්. ටීචර් ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණා.
Yes, teacher had scolded.
Yes, the teacher had scolded the children. The teacher had scolded the children. නෑ. ටීචර් ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණ නැහැ කියන්නේ.
No, the teacher hadn't scolded the children.
No, the teacher hadn't scolded the children. No, the teacher hadn't scolded the children. හරි. අපි තව එකක් ගමු කලින් පාඩමේ example එකකින් ගමුකෝ මෙහෙම. Verb is arrest. Arrest past participle is arrested. Arrested. උතර කල්පනා කරලා කියන්න. හරි කලින් කේ තියෙනවා මතක් කරලා කියන්න. හරිද? පොලිසිය ඊයේ මාකට් එකේදී හොරෙක්ව arrest කරලා තිබුණාද? පොලිසිය ඊයේ මාකට් එකේදී හොරෙක්ව thief කෙනෙක්ව හොරෙක්ව arrest කරලා තිබුණාද?
Have the arrested a thief in the market yesterday?
In the market කියන්නේ at the market. එතකොට had the police arrested a thief at the market yesterday. හරි had the police arrested a thief at the market yesterday. ඔව් ඊයේ පොලිසියෙන් මාකට් එකේදී හොරෙක්ව arrest කරලා තිබුණා.
Yes, the police had the police have
have නෙමෙයි කරලා තිබුණා have එක මොකද වෙන්නේ had the police had arrested
arrested a thief at the market yesterday.
Yes, the police had arrested the thief at the market yesterday. නැත්නම් මේ වන්න පුළුවන් දැන් පික් පොකට් කාර්ड කියන්නේ පික් පොකට් කියලාම තමයි ඈ පික් පොකට් ගහන කාට කියන්නේ පික් පොකට් P I C K P O C K E T පික් පොකට් ඊයේ පොලිසිය මාකට් එකේදී පික් පොකට් කාරයෙක්ව arrest කරලා තිබ්බද had the police arrested a pickpocket at the market yesterday ඒ විදිහට මහන්න පුළුවන් right had the police arrested a pickpocket at the market yesterday yes the police had arrested a pickpocket at the market yesterday නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ කොහොමද නෑ පොලිසිය ඊයේ මාකට් එකේදී පික්පොකට් කාරයෙක් arrest කරලා තිබුණ නැහැ කියන්නේ කරලා තිබුණ නැහැ
No, the police hadn't arrested the pickpocket at the market
yesterday no the police hadn't HADN apostrophe T no the police hadn't arrested the pickpocket at the market yesterday no the police hadn't arrested the pickpocket at the market yesterday ප්‍රතායකක් අහුව මෙහෙම ඒගොල්ලෝ චීෆ් ගෙස්ට් කතාව කලින් පාඩමේ චීෆ් ගෙස්ට් කතාව invited verb is invited ඒගොල්ලෝ චීෆ් ගෙස්ට් ඒ කියන්නේ ප්‍රධාන ආරාධිත අමුත්තට ආරාධනා කරලා තිබුණාද
Had they invited the chief guest?
had they invited the chief guest ඔව් ඒගොල්ලෝ chief guest invite කරලා තිබුණා
Yes, they had invited the chief guest.
yes they had invited the chief guest නෑ ඒගොල්ලෝ chief guest invite කරලා තිබුණේ නැහැ
They hadn't invited the chief guest.
no they hadn't invited the chief guest no they hadn't invited the chief guest අපි අර කලින් example එකක් තියෙනවා කලින් එකත් අපි ගමු ගිය සතියේ හරි ගිය සතියේ CID එක රිෂාඩ් බදියුදීන්ව arrest කරලා තිබුණාද ගිය සතියේ CID එක රිෂාඩ් බදියුදීන්ව arrest කරලා තිබුණාද
had the CID arrested Richard Balduddin on last week
last week කියන්නේ නිකම්ම last week ඒකට prepositions දාන්නේ last week had the CID arrested Richard Badiuddin last week ගිය සතියේ last week නේ අරන් තිබුණාද arrest කරලා තිබුණාද had the CID arrested Richard Badiuddin last week ඔව් ගිය සතියේ CID එක Richard Badiuddin arrest කරලා තිබුණා
Yes, the CID arrested Richard Balduddin last week.
there's a mistake small mistake yes
Yes, the CID had arrested Richard Balduddin last week.
yes the CID had arrested Richard Badiuddin last week මේ මාමු ඊයේ දැන් අයියා අහනවා අම්මගෙන් මේ ඊයේ නංගි ඊයේ හවස කියන්නේ කොහොමද yesterday evening the last evening last evening ඊයේ හවස නංගි එයාගේ යාළුවෙක්ව හම්බෙන්න ගිහින් තිබුණාද යනවාට කියන්නේ go went gone නා verb is go went gone යාළුවෙක් හම්බෙන්න to meet a friend of hers හරිද ඊයේ හවස නංගි එයාගේ යාළුවෙක් meet වෙන්න ගිහින් තිබ්බද
Had Nangi gone to meet of her friend last evening?
Had Nangi gone to meet a friend of hers a friend of hers HERS had Nangi gone to meet a friend of hers last evening had Nangi gone to meet a friend of hers last evening අම්ම කියන ඔව් එයා ඊයේ හවස ගිහින් තිබ්බා මට ඒක විතර කියන්නේ එයා ඊයේ හවස ගිහින් තිබ්බා
Yes, she had gone.
Yes, she had gone last evening. Right. නෑ එයා ගිහින් තිබුණ නැහැ කියන්නේ. එයා ගිහින් තිබුණ නැහැ.
No, she hadn't gone.
No, she hadn't gone. එයා ගිහින් තිබුණ නැහැ. No, she had not gone. Oh, No, she hadn't gone.
gone.
Hadn't gone. ඔන්න ඔක තමයි active voice. This is called active voice. Now passive voice. Passive voice is very easy. Now you know how to use the passive voice of present perfect tense. Has been and have been. Has been or have been plus past participle. Here what happens in past perfect tense passive voice? මොකද වෙන්නේ? Had been. ඔක්කොම ටික had been වෙනවා. Has been එකත් had been වෙනවා. Have been එකත් had been වෙනවා. B double E එන්න had been plus past participle of the verb. අපි අර example එකම ගමු. අපි පාර්ටි එකට invite කරලා තිබුණා. ඒකට verb එක invite past participle is invited to the party. මට පාටියට ආරාධනා කරලා තිබුණා. මට පාටියට ආරාධනා කරලා තිබුණා. I had been invited to the party. නේ? I had been invited to the party. අපිට පාටියට ආරාධනා කරලා තිබුණා. We had been invited to the party. ඔයාට පාටියට invite කරලා තිබුණා.
You had been invited to the party.
ඒගොල්ලන්ට invite කරලා තිබුණා.
They had been invited to the party.
මගේ parents ලාට invite කරලා තිබුණා.
My parents
had been invited.
Invited to the party. ඔහුට invite කරලා තිබුණා.
He had been invited to the party.
He had been invited to the party. අයට invite කරලා තිබුණා.
She had been invited to the party.
අපේ තාත්තට invite කරලා තිබුණා.
Our father had been invited to the party.
Our father had been invited to the party. Our father had been invited to the party. අපි අර බැනපු කතාව ගමු. Scolded. මට බැනලා තිබුණා.
I had been scolded.
අපිට බැනලා තිබුණා.
We had been scolded.
ඔයාට බැනලා තිබුණා.
You had been scolded.
ඒගොල්ලන්ට බැනලා තිබුණා.
You had been scolded.
ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණා.
The children had been scolded.
The children had been scolded. මගේ දෙමව්පියන්ට බැනලා තිබුණා.
My parents had been scolded.
My parents had been scolded. ඔහුට බැනලා තිබුණා.
He had been scolded.
He had been scolded. ඇයට බැනලා තිබුණා.
She had been scolded.
She had been scolded. අපේ අම්මට බැනලා තිබුණා.
My mother had been scolded.
My mother had been scolded. දැන් අර පිට්පොකට් කාරය කතාව ගමු. දැන් පොලිසිය නෙමෙයි. පොලිසිය කතාව නෑ. පොලිසිය කරපු කෙනා නෑ. The doer is not mentioned. ඊයේ මාකට් එකේදී පිට්පොකට් කාරයෙක්ව arrest කරලා තිබුණා.
A pickpocket had been arrested at the market yesterday.
A pickpocket had been arrested. The doer is not mentioned. කරපු කෙනා නෑ. අපි කියනවනේ ඊයේ වෙලා කියනවනේ අපි ඊයේ අල්ලලා තිබ්බ කියන්නේ. A pickpocket had been arrested at the market yesterday. A pickpocket had been arrested at the market yesterday. අද ඔගේ ප්‍රශ්නේ අහමු. ඊයේ මාකට් එකේදී පික්පොකට් කාරයෙක් අල්ලලා තිබ්බද?
Had the pickpocket been arrested at the market yesterday?
That's right. Had a pickpocket been arrested at the market yesterday? Oh, ඊයේ මාකට් එකේදී පික්පොකට් කාරයෙක් arrest කරලා තිබුණා.
Yes, a pickpocket had been arrested at the market yesterday.
A pickpocket had been arrested at the market yesterday. නෑ arrest කරලා තිබ්බේ නැහැ කියන්නේ කොහොමද?
No, the pickpocket had not been arrested at the market yesterday.
Not the pickpocket, a pickpocket. No, a pickpocket hadn't been. Had not been. A pickpocket hadn't been arrested at the market yesterday. No, a pickpocket hadn't been arrested at the market yesterday. Right? Or had taken the brush button and nothing had color and hadn't been. The memo chief guest ප්‍රධාන ආරාධිත අමුත්තර ආරාධනා කරලා තිබුණාද? ප්‍රධාන ආරාධිත අමුත්තර ආරාධනා කරලා තිබුණාද?
Had the chief guest been invited?
had the chief guest been invited නේ ආරාධනා කරලා තිබුණාද ආරාධනා කරලාද නෙමෙයි ආරාධනා කරලා තිබ්බද had the chief guest been invited ඔව් chief guest invite කරලා තිබුණා
Yes, the chief guest had been invited.
yes the chief guest had been invited but හැබැයි ආවේ නැහැ මොකද කියන්නේ
but he hadn't been
But he doesn't.
but he didn't come ඒ වෙනම එකක්
didn't come
but he didn't come ආවේ නැහැ නේ yes the chief guest had been invited හැබැයි ආවේ නැහැ but he didn't come
but he didn't come
එයා ඇවිල්ලා තිබ්බේ නැහැ එයා ඇවිල්ලා තිබ්බේ නැහැ කිව්වනම් no he hadn't come එයා ඇවිල්ලා තිබුණේ නැහැ he had been invited the chief guest had been invited but he hadn't come එයා ඇවිල්ලා තිබ්බේ නැහැ නේ එයා ඇවිල්ලා තිබ්බේ නැහැ he hadn't come එයා ආවේ නැහැ he didn't come
he didn't
පටලවා ගන්න එපා don't complicate පටලවා ගන්න එපා he didn't come හරිද ප්‍රශ්නේ අහනවා ආයිපාරක් had the chief guest been invited නෑ chief guest invite කරලා තිබුණ නෑ
The chief guest had not been invited.
no the chief guest hadn't been invited no the chief guest hadn't been invited prize giving එකට main hall එක සරසලා තිබුණාද
Had the main hall been decorated?
had the main hall been decorated for the prize giving had the main hall been decorated for the prize giving ඔව් main hall එක සරසලා තිබුණා
Yes, the main hall had been decorated.
yes the main hall had been decorated නෑ සරසලා තිබුණ නෑ
No, the main hall hadn't been decorated.
no the main hall hadn't been decorated had means had not been no the main hall hadn't been decorated ගිය සතියේ රිෂාඩ් බදියුදීන්ව අරෙස්ට් කරලා තිබුණාද
Rishad Badruddin had Rishad Badruddin been arrested last week.
that's right had Rishad Badiuddin been arrested last week නේ had Rishad Badiuddin been arrested last week ඔව් එයාව ගිය සතියේ අරෙස්ට් කරලා තිබුණා
Yes, he had been arrested last week.
yes he had been arrested last week අපි දැන් මෙහෙම කියමු එයාව කිරුළපන තියෙන එයාගේ ගෙදරදී අරෙස්ට් කරලා තිබුණා ගිය සතියේ කොහොමද කියන්නේ
He had been arrested in his at his house in
Kirulapana at his house in Kirulapana at his residence in Kirulapana yes he had been arrested last week at his residence in Kirulapana now the end හරිද තොර chief guest invite කරලා තිබුණාද had the chief guest been invited yes he had been invited නැත්තම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ invite කරලා නැත්තම් no he hadn't been invited no he hadn't been invited ඊයේ ටීචර් ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණාද ඊයේ ටීචර් ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණාද
had the teacher scolded children yesterday.
Had the teacher scolded the children yesterday? Oh, ඊයේ ටීචර් ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණා.
Yes, teacher had scolded children yesterday.
දැන් අහනවා. ඊයේ ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබ්බද?
Children had the children been scolded yesterday.
That's right. Had the children been scolded yesterday? Had the children been scolded yesterday? Oh, ඊයේ ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණා.
Yes, the children had been scolded yesterday.
Yes, the children had been scolded yesterday. අපි ඔකට මෙහෙම කරලා දාමු. ඊයේ ළමයින්ට බැනලා තිබුණා. ක්ලාස් එකට පරක්කු වෙලා ආවට. මොකද කියන්නේ?
the children had been scolded for being late.
The children had been scolded for coming to the class late. For
Late.
coming to the class, the children had been scolded yesterday for coming to the class late. For coming to the class late. Right. For being late, then for being late. The children had been scolded for being late. For being late. ඔන්නෝක තමයි past perfect tense එක. had again had been. දැන් ඔකට මම තව කැලලා මෙහෙම එකතු කරනවා. තව අපි කලින් කරපු පාඩමකුත් එක්ක. මතකද දන්නේ අර මෙහෙම කිව්වේ දැන් ඔකට මෙහෙම එකක් දානවා. මම ගෙදර එනකොට කියන්නේ when I came home. අර එනකොට කියන when when when. මම ගෙදර එනකොට. හරිද? අපි අර කලින් පාඩම මම කරලා තියෙනවා. අර present perfect tense එකේදී කරේ. තාත්තා මොකද කරන්නේ? What is father doing? He is plucking some king coconuts in the garden. Coconuts he is plucking some coconuts in the garden. What is mother doing? She is cooking our dinner. What is Ayya doing? He is washing his bicycle. What is Akka doing? She is ironing some clothes. ඔන්නව දැම්මනේ. දැන් ඔකට මම පොඩ්ඩක් සම්බන්ධ කරනම් මෙහෙම. හරිද? මට හොඳට කල්පනා කරලා කියන්න. මේ අද කරපු පාඩම past perfect tense එක. ඔයාගේ දැන් ඔයා ගෙදර ආවා. you know මම ගෙදර එනකොට මේ පොල් ටික කඩලා තිබුණා. මම ගෙදර එනකොට පොල් ටික කඩලා තිබුණා. ඒකට කියන්නේ pluck. verb is pluck. plucked plucked. මම ගෙදර එනකොට කියලා කියන්නේ when I came home. මම ගෙදර එනකොට පොල් ටික කඩලා තිබුණා.
When I came home, the coconuts had been plucked.
When I came home, coconuts had been plucked. කඩලා තිබුණානේ. had been plucked. When I came home, coconuts had been plucked. මම ගෙදර එනකොට මිදුළු අතු ගාලා තිබුණා. sweep past participle swept. මිදුළ නෙමෙයි. මම ගෙදර එනකොට වත්ත අතු ගාලා තිබුණා.
When I came home, the garden had been swept.
When I came home, the garden had been swept. මම ගෙදර එනකොට රෙදි ටික අයන් කරලා තිබුණා.
When I came home, the clothes
had been ironed. When I came home, the clothes had been ironed. මම ගෙදර එනකොට බයිසිකලේ හොදලා තිබුණා.
Then I came home, my bicycle had been washed.
When I came home, the bicycle had been washed. washed. හොදලා තිබුණා. had been washed නේ. When I came home, the bicycle had been washed. මම ගෙදර එනකොට ලන්ච් එක ලෑස්ති කරලා තිබුණා.
Then I came home, the lunch had been prepared.
When I came home, the lunch had been prepared. When I came home, lunch had been prepared. Right? Or lunch had been cooked, you can say. ඒක ගන්න ඒවා දාන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේ දේවල් වලට දාන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? It is called past perfect tense. Right?